Dave at Mike's Off-Road on a beautiful sunny day. We've got our TJ here that we've been working on with our straight axle kit. We also added a set of nice PIA LED lights, a new winch rope, and our new Garvin Industries rack. If you want to take a look at this, it's a pretty awesome piece of equipment. This rack is really an exceptional rack. It's very strong and durable. Best part about it is, as you can see, you can tilt it back so you can put a hard top on, put your soft top on, or put a bikini top on. And it actually has brackets to hold it in place. So while you're actually putting one of the three types of tops on this thing, it holds it out of place. And then all you do is take the bracket off and set it back down, tighten everything down, and load up the rack with whatever you need for your camping gear, your next excursion, and go head down the road. It's very sturdy, stable, add a lot of weight to the top of this Jeep. And like I said, it's very useful because you can take it and tilt it back to change out the top. They're a really nice piece of equipment, built very well, probably one of the best in the industry. Here at Mike's Off-Road, we do a lot of Jeep accessories, whether it's Garvin Industry, ARB, we do a lot of Warren. If you have a Jeep and you want to go hit the trail, you want to have a good time, come down to Mike's Off-Road. We can take care of all your needs for all your Jeep accessories, whether it's air lockers, limited slips, doing a high steer kit like on this one, the nice TerraFlex high steer kit, as well as the racks and all the accessories that go along with that rack to get you that trail so you can have a good time and get you home safe. If you have any questions, give us a call, 586-4103. You can talk to Dave, Russ, Shane, or Mike.